Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block ads in your Yandex browser. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to block ads in your Yandex browser, firstly open your Yandex Browser application. Now, after opening the Yandex Browser application, simply click on these three bars in the bottom right corner. Now, after clicking there, you will get this setting button. Click into that setting button in order to proceed with ad blocking. Now, after coming to settings, you just simply have to scroll down until you find the content blocking setting. In the content blocking, you will see this ad blocking option at the top. Simply click into that ad blocking option and you will see these two options. You can block offensive and intrusive ads here. In order to do that, simply open the toggle for both and these types of ads will be blocked in your Yandex browser. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.